This is my Century welder. It is very much like a Lincoln or a Miller welder, but it is just not quite as expensive. It is very important to have a fire extinguisher near you when you are welding in case you start a fire. Today, I'm going to be welding some pieces of metal together to demonstrate how good my Century welder works. I have to place my ground clamp, and then I'm going to set the metal on there. I'm just going to tap it quickly. The best way to tell if your welds are solid and good is to see if your item that you are welding is waterproof. It is pretty good for a Century welder. Thank you for watching.